First, you're going to boil lots of egg, am I right? Here's how to boil many eggs at once without cracking and breaking. Carefully add eggs to a pot, add salt and vinegar. Using the lowest heat, cook for 1 hour. See how the egg holds its shape even when it's cracked? Now let's decorate. Base coat, hot water, food coloring, vinegar, and soak the eggs. The longer you soak, the darker the color gets. Second coat, warm water, cooking oil, food coloring, dip the eggs. Result? Beautiful. Third coat is optional. Food coloring, cooking oil, play with it. Result? Artistic. Wipe well and let them dry for a while. God bless you all. Happy Easter!